This is a presentation video to demonstrate our course project regarding the improvements that we made for the expert search system. So this is our Git repository. To get started, we will need to clone our repository onto our local computer. So this is the repository link. All we need to do is we need to git clone this URL. Since I already cloned on my computer, so we'll need to go to the course project repository, and just to make sure I'm on the master branch. Since my computer has already installed all of the dependencies, if the computer you're on hasn't installed some of the dependencies like MetaPy or GUnicorn, you need to follow the documentation. There's a setup instruction that lists out all the pip requirements that is needed and run pip install. For example, MetaPy in this case. And not just MetaPy, there are other dependencies as well. So I won't go over this part since I already installed everything. Next step, to start the server, you need to run the GUnicorn command. When you see the booting worker message, this means the server has already started. The next step, to access the page, just open a new window and go to localhost 8095. So this is the port that we are hosting our web application. And now you can see the expert search user interface. To get started, usually the user would need to search the query that they are interested in. For example, in this case, I'm interested in all the experts within the NLP field. So I will just input the NLP in my search box and I can click search. The system would return me several experts that has a related field or has NLP mentioned in their description. And you can see there are a couple of things immediately available for us. There is their name, the university, and faculty they're currently at, location, and their area of interest or their research area. And if they have any phone number available, we will show a small phone icon. By clicking on it, you can choose to have FaceTime available for their phone number, or you can access their phone number on the bottom left as well. There is so for this case is 006 2015, and same thing for other experts as well. If they have email available, we will also show up their email or their phone. I can get to how we extract the phone number later in the video. But yeah, so this is one of the improvements that we've done by adding their area of interest for these professors and the extracting the phone number. So let me try another search query. If I'm in this case, I'm kind of interested in facial recognition, so I can enter my keyword face, and these experts will shows up as the mentioned facial recognition or face recognition in their description, and you can see this professor, the area of interest includes computer vision and other areas as well. And if you want to know more about that, you can click on this link. It will directly link to direct you to their personal webpage. Another feature that we did is a recommendation system based on your search queries or search histories. In this case, we have searched NLP and face, two keywords. And now if I go back to my homepage, you can see the web application will actually remember the search keyword that you have searched. That's face and that's NLP, and it will give you some related to the expert that you haven't seen before, but is in our database. And we always show your latest search results on the top, and followed by the next latest search keywords. And we also show this standard preview section as well, in case you are interested. So for this recommendation, we support up to the latest 5 keywords on our system that you have searched before within a user session. We used browser cookie to store these search keywords. So if you close this window and if you open up a new private browsing, then you will lose these cookie, and we will start storing a brand new cookie for your search results and search queries. So that's pretty much all the user-facing changes that we've done. So let me jump in